Today, I'm checking out this vacuum sealer by DOMIVIO. Let's see what's in this box. So it comes with some vacuum sealing bags, the machine itself, and if you use like cans or something like that, you can vacuum seal cans with this attachment, which I think is pretty cool. And then of course it has the instruction manual. I like to vacuum seal my own meat because I'll buy it in larger quantities and butcher it myself into the steaks that I like. So this comes in real handy for this. Let me show you how it works. And that's the DOMIVIO Vacuum Sealer.